Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today we'll be doing something different. Yes, I'll be telling you all the Igbo Proverbs, the translation and their meaning. Igbo Proverbs, the translation and their meaning. So what's a proverb? A proverb are phrases that expresses a perceived truth. Phrase that express a perceived truth. That's a simple definition of a proverb. So I'm going to be telling you all the Igbo Proverbs, their translation and their meaning. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and let's begin. So the first phrase, Igbo proverb is Hapụ ihe edere na moto banye moto. Hapụ ihe edere na moto banye moto. Leave what is written in the car and enter the vehicle. Leave what is written in the vehicle and enter the vehicle. Taking action is priority over having details. Taking action is priority over having details. The next Igbo proverb, Agbachoso agụọ mile. Agbachoso agụọ mile. The translation, after the race, the covered mile is calculated. After the race, the covered mile or distance is calculated. So the meaning, being reflective after a difficult task. Meaning, being reflective after a difficult task. Then, the next Igbo proverb, Agaracha must come back. Agaracha must come back. Translation, he who wanders away must come back. Meaning, you cannot totally shy away from your responsibilities. Igbo proverb, Ejighị ụtụtụ ama njọ afọ. Ejighị ụtụtụ ama njọ afọ. Cannot judge that a market will be bad in the morning. That's the meaning in English. That's the translation in English. You cannot judge that a market will be bad in the morning. The meaning, one's future cannot be determined by a bad start. One's future cannot be determined by a bad start. Then, the next one, Nibondo. Nibondo. Yes, food is life. That's the translation. Food is life. An empty stomach can lead to early grave. An empty stomach can lead to early grave. An empty stomach can lead to early grave. Yes. Next one. Ana-asị na ọkụ gbara onye ọcha na-ajụ ka ọ gbara afọ ọnụ ya. Ana-asị na ọkụ gbara onye ọcha na-ajụ ka ọ gbara afọ ọnụ ya. So the translation, it's being rumored that a reverend father got burnt, and you are wondering or you are asking if the bears got burnt. That's a translation. So the meaning, talking about an important thing, and you are there talking about something stupid or unimportant. That's the meaning. So you're talking about something important and you're there talking about something stupid or less important. Yeah. So the next one, ka a na-achụ aja ka ike na-ama ndị mmụọ. Ka a na-achụ aja ka ike na-ama ndị mmụọ. Translation, let's keep sacrificing, let the gods take blame. Let's keep sacrificing, let the gods take blame. So the meaning, do your part to avoid blame. Do your part to avoid blame. That's the meaning. So the next one, Okoro anaghị eto karịa onye kọrọ ya. Okoro anaghị eto karịa onye kọrọ ya. The okra cannot grow taller than the planter. So the meaning, no matter how elevated you are in life, you cannot suppress or surpass the hand that grew you. No matter how elevated you are in life, you cannot surpass the hand that grew you. So the next one, gịnị ọzọ ka a na-achọ na siga na-abụghị anwụrụ ọkụ. Gịnị ọzọ ka a na-achọ na siga na-abụghị anwụrụ ọkụ. Translation, what else is expected of a cigarette if not smoke? English translation, what else is expected of a cigarette if not smoke? So the meaning, purpose are always defined. Purpose are always defined. Mmanụ akara dị ụtọ, onye ratụ, ibe ya ratụ. Mmanụ akara dị ụtọ, onye ratụ, ibe ya ratụ. Being cake oil is sweet, so one who tests should allow others to test as well. So the meaning, be good to people on your way up the ladder. So be good to people on your way up the ladder. So the next Igbo proverb, itiela aka na tipa buaja. Itiela aka na tipa buaja. You have, so the meaning, you have placed your hand on a tipper with loads of sand. You have placed your hand on a tipper with loads of sand, meaning you are in a big mess. Yeah. Ogologo abụghị na nwa m etola. Ogologo abụrụ na nwa m etula. Tallness is not a yardstick to define maturity. Tallness is not a yardstick to define maturity. So meaning, maturity in life is not determined by physical appearance. The next Igbo proverb, ara ga-agbandara. Ara ga-agbandara. Lunatic shall soon run mad. Lunatic shall soon run mad. So the meaning, surprising things or unbelievable things will happen. So unbelievable things or surprising things will happen. So the next one, ụkwụ na-aga warawara. Anya na-aga warawara n'ahụ ya. This is the type of thing our parents be telling us while we've been growing up. Yes. Ụkwụ na-aga warawara. Anya na-aga warawara n'ahụ ya. Yes. So the translation, a leg moving in a shady motion, an eye also moving in a shady motion will see it. A leg moving in a shady motion, an eye also moving in a shady motion will see it. The meaning is you cannot outsmart everyone. That's the meaning. You cannot outsmart everyone. Then I know my Igbo people out there will be hearing this adage. Akwokwala binsakwo. Akwokwala binsakwo. Yes. The English meaning. Have the beans been grinded yet? English meaning, have beans been grinded yet? Meaning, I have not yet started. Meaning, I have not yet started. So the last but not the least, otuoye tuoizu ogbochi. Otuoye tuoizu ogbochi. Translation, if one man takes a decision, he commits murder. If one man takes a decision, he commits murder. Meaning, knowledge is never complete. Two heads are better than one. Well, you know, I keep bringing like a tip of the iceberg. I don't bring the whole thing to my channel, so I don't make it boring. But there are so many funny Igbo proverbs out there. So with this few, I hope I've impacted a little bit of knowledge here. Yes. So first off, I want to thank you all again, my subscribers out there. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much. God bless you all. God bless you all. And I hope you're really enjoying this channel. Yeah, I keep asking because I want to really know. Hit my comment section. Tell me, you can tell me things you like about my channel. Yeah. So also tell me things from these Igbo proverbs which I've stated here. Tell me the ones that are the ones that you like, the ones that are funny. Just hit my comment section. I will be glad. So thank you so much, lovelies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that bell, turn on your post notification so that when I post a video, you will be aware of it. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Bye.